testing visual design is tricky. It can be difficult to get clear answers on what a user likes about the aesthetics of a site or application. In this video, I'm going to cover 4 techniques for assessing user reactions to visual design, ranging from completely open-ended to highly structured responses. The first method is through preference explanation. In this method, you'll ask participants to explain why they like or don't like a design, with no additional question structure. This method is useful if you're not sure about the expectations of your audience and you want to discover more about what matters to them. It's great to use with highly motivated and articulate participants, but it could backfire if you end up with vague or unhelpful responses such as, "It's nice." This method is best suited for early iterations of a design, where you're looking for those initial reactions and descriptions of the style without bias from the questions being asked. The second method is open word choice. In this method, you'll ask participants to list several words which best describe the design, both positive and negative. This is slightly more structured than the last method, and it ensures that you'll at least get some specific feedback while still leaving the question open-ended to discover descriptions you may not have originally considered. Once you have a list of words from all participants, you can categorize them into positive, neutral, and negative categories and evaluate which words best match your brand's intentions. The third method is closed word choice, where you'll provide a list of words to participants and have them choose which words best describe the design. By supplying participants with a predetermined list, you're specifically focusing on whether your brand's attributes are perceived by users. Make sure you're providing your brand's attributes as well as other words that describe contradictory or divergent qualities so you're not biasing your participants. This method makes it easier to assess different design versions or different audiences because it uses the same set of words for each participant. The fourth and most structured method is using numerical rankings. In this method, you'll collect ratings about how much the design exhibits certain brand qualities. Pick 3 to 5 brand attributes and have participants rate how well the design captures each one on a 1 to 5 scale. This is best to do once you've already figured out what your brand attributes are, and you want to assess how well the design reflects these attributes. These 4 techniques for assessing visual design can help you decide how well your design matches up with brand expectations. Choose a technique that best fits the current stage of the design, whether that's early on using those more open-ended methods, or later on in the process using those more structured techniques.